let's jump into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business that saves us time, makes us money, or helps us have more fun. Mine, I just found out existed today. I create little reels on my phone for the team or some personal stuff. And I've mixed it up and I've used, the Instagram app, YouTube. This is actually why I saw it. YouTube is creating a app to make some reels as well. But the one that I use and that I've talked about here a lot is CapCut, CapCut. What I found out today is that you can actually use CapCut on your computer. That's not something I ever knew about. And so people are always asking me, what do you use to edit? And I tell them Adobe Premiere, and I said it's really hard. But now I want to look into, and I'd recommend CapCut on the computer. You can do cool templates and transitions, and again, that's what you can do on the phone. So CapCut for the computer is my widget of the week. What do you got for us, Adrian?
That's a really good suggestion there.
I saw you write it down.
Yeah, I wrote it down.
Half of what Carlos says, I'm like, I've never heard of that. I have to look that up.
All right, I'm probably going to use that. Thanks, Bryan.
You're welcome.
So for me, I use CamScanner a lot because I don't know how to use a damn freaking printer. I always have problems with the printers. But yeah, so I like to use CamScanner for so many things, mainly for listing agreements, right? Because you can scan it in batches.
So this is an iPhone app, and you take a picture of the document, right?
Yeah, basically. And then it automatically resize it and get rid of all the background, and it just looks like you scanned it through a printer.
Yeah, and then I think it even has the factor where it can like read the text, right?
Yeah, 100%. And then also you can share it in many different ways, PDF, JPEG. You can share it via email, text, even AirDrop. It has an AirDrop. So that's what I use it for, mainly for listing agreement after clients sign. I use it for other things, but it's very helpful for me because I'm always on the go. I can just scan it right away. If it's if we need to list the house ASAP, then I'm probably not going to wait until I get to the office. I'll just scan it, print it. I mean, not print it, and then upload it to our system. So that way our marketing team could schedule the photos and take the photos, and we can hit live in our 7-day launch system.
Adrian, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing a little bit about what you do. Again, we could talk for ages, and I'd love to have you back on. Yeah. We can talk about your acceptance, how high your acceptance rate is to get buyers offers accepted, or your listing. I mean, we could talk about anything. So thank you so much, Adrian. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We'll see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.